My name is Madhura. I am a commerce graduate. I completed my graduation from ICA Edu. After completion, I enrolled with ICA and started working as an article trainer while pursuing CA course. After completing articleship, I joined ICICI Bank as a consultant in IMSG Group. Then I enrolled with the Institute of Computer Accountants (ICA) for Certified Industrial Accountant CIA course, in which I learned taxation and accounting using computer. After that, I approached the institution for placement and got placement with a freight forwarding company with a CTC of 19 years. I express my gratitude towards the institution for their kind support. Thank you.